might be making a quite comeback on some runways. और हाँ, आप उसमें अपनी पूरी ग्रोसरी डाल सकते हो. Highlight areas most women would rather not draw attention to. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Upstyle with Shikha. I am Shikha, your personal stylist and image coach. I help women to elevate their style, dress for their body shape and feel more confident every single day in their own skin and in their dressing. They doubt needing to buy a whole lot of new wardrobe every single time. Now, my goal is to make styling easy peasy, practical and fun every single day for you guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that we can reach more and more women out there who are looking to upgrade their style, upgrade their confidence, and just feel next level every single day. Also, you can check out my previous videos on Indian wear styling tips and capsule wardrobe, which is a full series in itself. Now, in every video, I say that if you have any styling query, concern, suggestion, or struggle that you face in your everyday styling, please drop those queries, questions, concerns in the comment box below. I will pick them and turn them into a full YouTube video for you guys. Today's topic is the one I know you will love. In fact, this question came from my Instagram DM. The question was, हम अपनी everyday dressing कैसे update कर सकते हैं without heavy shopping? So I thought, let's talk about a few everyday wardrobe pieces जो हम इतने टाइम से यूज कर रहे हैं that we don't even realize that they might actually be making us look older. So here are 5 items in your wardrobe that might be aging you और उनके modern swaps जो instantly आपके style को refresh करेंगे. Now item number 1, skin colored leggings. Thin, almost transparent skin colored leggings were once a go-to, but they rarely match our skin tone exactly. आपने notice किया होगा when the shade is slightly off, it draws attention in the wrong way. Plus, the clingy fit, the cheap finish can make even a nice kurta look outdated. And also, it often looks like that kurte के नीचे कुछ पहना ही नहीं है. It's a totally off situation. They are out of fashion, something you should just eliminate from your wardrobe immediately. Replace them with ankle-length cigarette pants or well-fitted churidars or straight-cut plazos in neutral tones like beige, cream or black. They add structure, look far more polished and instantly give a modern twist to your Indian outfits. Item number 2. Overly shiny satin blouses. Satin is very elegant, but the overly glossy, old-fashioned version with puff sleeves, thick shoulder pads, or dated prints can scream outdated. Too much shine often looks like less luxe and more costume-like. Satin shirts or skirts are a great addition to your wardrobe, but just avoid overly golden or silver or glaringly shiny ones. Now swap them for normal satin, silk or crepe fabrics in modern cuts, different styles, clean V-necks, bow blouses or minimal collars. थोड़ा सा modern cut or less shine, your blouses will look timeless and expensive. Item number 3. Overly large unstructured bags. Now these giant shapeless handbags might be practical, but they overwhelm your entire frame and drag your whole look down. और हाँ, आप उसमें अपनी पूरी grocery डाल सकते हो, but style-wise they don't do you any favors. Swap them for medium-sized structured handbags or totes with clean lines. Structure shapes instantly make you look more put together and balanced, even with the simplest of the outfits. Item number 4. Chunky, overly bulky footwear. Now these extremely chunky sandals, chunky sneakers or overly heavy heels can throw off your outfit proportions. वो सिर्फ runway या fashion show में ही अच्छे लग सकते हैं because वहाँ पर उन्हें कुछ creative करना होता है. But if you are not a fashion enthusiast, then you should totally ditch them. They tend to make legs look shorter and outfits less refined, even if the clothes are stylish. Now, you can swap them for sleeker sneakers, medium to thick block heels or elegant loafers. They will still be comfortable but will keep your outfit looking balanced and chic. Updated strappy sandals like Birkenstock styles are great. And if you don't want to invest that much amount of money, then you can get the affordable versions from stores like TechSide. And item number 5, extremely low rise jeans. Those ultra low rise jeans from the early 2000s might be making a quite comeback on some runways, but in everyday life, they are not the most flattering. Not at all. Especially if you are aiming for a modern, polished, chic look. They can make the torso look too long and highlight areas most women would rather not draw attention to. Plus, they even limit your styling options and often look dated than trendy. Swap them with mid-rise or high-rise jeans in straight leg, slim or wide leg cuts. Mid-rise especially gives enough coverage, they balance proportions beautifully and works with tucked in tops, crop jackets, and even Indian tunics for a fusion look. And that's it. These 5 simple swaps can completely change your everyday style game. अगर आपको part 2 चाहिए of this video, comment below. And if you found this helpful, then like this video, share it with a friend who needs a style reset, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and practical style tips. Every week, I share ways to make your wardrobe work harder for you, not the other way around, without endless shopping. Till then, stay stylish and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.